guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be more of a noisy shoot because I'm bringing you guys behind the scenes of an actual photo shoot I'm going to do. So you know I've been doing all of these behind the scenes, showing you guys how I do these shoots in the studio. But right now I'm bringing you guys on location so you get to see that you can apply all these things I've been saying to your actual photo shoot. So let's head over, see the entire team. And actually, once we're here, let me just start with my lights. I'm going to be using my two light setup, my favorite two light setup. So my 120cm deep parabolic is going to be my main light, and in there is the Godox, actually the Flashpoint 400, right, or the AD400 Pro. And I have in here my AD200. This is not the AD200 Pro. So that is going to be my rim light. And then over here is my camera. This is my Canon R6, and I have the 50mm 1.4 Sigma art lens on it, and my Atomos so that you guys can see exactly how the shoot is going to be happening. So let's just move over here and then you see the rest of the team. So this is Rose, the makeup artist. And then we have Annie with the very artistic hairstyle. And that should tell you that she's going to be our stylist and director for today's shoot. And then we have the client, Jesse.
Hi.
He's the one that I'm working for today. And then our model, I think is she changing or what's she doing? She's bringing a speaker. Wow. So you'll see her in a moment. But yeah, this is where we're going to be shooting. So you guys stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so our director, Annie, has already positioned her where we are going to be taking our first shot, right? And looking at the space I'm shooting in, we have a lot of light coming through this large window from my left. So we already have like a lot of light on here. And I'm shooting at 1.4, so that's also going to bring in a lot of light into the camera. But I still want to add a bit of punch, and that's why I have my main light right here on her left side, on her right. That's your right, right? Yes. On her right. So that looking at where I'm going to be shooting from, it's just going to add a little bit of punch to the shot. So I'll start with just the ambient light so you see exactly what's happening, and I'll add the flash and then we can start shooting from there. So currently I am maximizing my shutter speed, so that's 1/200, and then I'll drop my ISO to 100. So you can see, looking at the histogram, we don't have a lot of light in the highlight areas. So that is where the flash is going to fill in. So right now when I just take a shot, this is with just the ambient light, and you can see we have like a pretty decent exposure on here. It looks nice. Yeah, but I'm gonna turn on my flash now, which is set to group A. And I'll start with the lowest power, 1/128, take a shot. You can see we are adding a bit of fill light on here. Okay, I need to add a little bit more, so I'm going to go to 1/64. Perfect. So I think I like the settings now. So my flash power 1/64. 1/200 on shutter speed, f1.4, and ISO 100. So we can start shooting right now. So we've moved to like another setup where we're going to be shooting, and now I'm doing 2 lights. So I have my main light on camera right, and I have a rim light on the other side just to edge her out a bit. And I'm going to be shooting from straight on, so she's going to be centered in this beautiful space. And we're going to start shooting. So I'll quickly just go over my settings now. I'm still at 1/160 f1.4 ISO 100. My main light is at 1/64, and my rim light is on the least power, that is 1/128. So we're going to start shooting. And yeah, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two, and if you did, leave a like to support the channel. If you have any questions as well, leave them in the comments. I'm always there answering questions. Thank you for joining me. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video, and remember, don't ever give up.